Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you on how to make your car diffuser, a very easy way to make it. So if this is something that you are interested in, follow along as I show you what to do. So firstly, let's look at the things we'll be needing. You'll be needing first of all your calibrated pipettes. This is so you can get accurate measurement of all of the liquids that you'll be needing for this production. Make sure it is a pipette that has calibration, that is calibrated. Secondly, you'll be needing your diffuser bottle. As you can see here, these are 8 ml bottles. And the third thing you'll be needing is your fragrance oil. Please ensure that you are using a fragrance oil. So whatever fragrance of your choice, you get it. And then the next thing you'll be needing is your solvent. Here we are using isopropyl alcohol. It is also known as IPA. So in case you go to the market and you're hearing IPA, it is the same thing. So this is just a solvent that will enable your diffuser to easily dissolve into the atmosphere, to easily evaporate into the atmosphere. So now we are going to go ahead and begin our production. Open up your bottles, remove the wooden cap and the stopper, and then get your calibrated pipettes. So you are going to use the 70:30 ratio for this formulation, 70 being your IPA, your isopropyl alcohol, and 30 being your fragrance. So you can see. So here you can see I added 2 ml of the isopropyl alcohol and another 2 ml, and then 1 ml. That is 5 ml in total. Remember, I am using an 8 ml bottle, so I added 5 ml of isopropyl alcohol. I'm done with that. Now I'll be moving on to adding the fragrance oil. So now I'm going to add 3 ml of fragrance oil. So your solvent is supposed to be higher than your fragrance so that it can enable it to evaporate into the atmosphere. That way you'll be able to get your scent to cover the whole car. So I'm going to take 3 ml of my fragrance oil, as you can see here. Close that up and keep it back safely. Then you're going to close your diffuser bottle. First of all, put the stopper, because we are not using it yet. Put the stopper and also cover it with a wooden lid. And it is advised that you keep this for 2 to 3 days so that it mixes well and you're able to get a better result at the end of the day. So now I'll be going on to do the same for the second bottle. Taking my isopropyl alcohol and my calibrated pipettes, I'll be taking 5 ml of this liquid here, of this solvent. So this is me taking 2 ml, another 2 ml, and then I'll take 1 ml of the liquid. In total, that is going to be 5 ml of the isopropyl alcohol. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to move on to adding my fragrance oil. So using my calibrated pipette, taking 2 ml of the fragrance oil and another 1 ml. In total, that is 3 ml. So that is 5 ml of isopropyl alcohol and 3 ml of the fragrance oil. Together, those are what I'm using for my formulation. I cover it up. I do the same thing, cover up my bottle. First of all, put the stopper, secure it nicely, and then put the wooden cover. And that is all you need to do. Once you're done with that, your car diffuser is ready for you to use. It's advisable for you to let it sit for 2 days, so that's 2 to 3 days, so that you know it mixes well. So as you can see here, this is our car diffuser, ready for you to use, ready for you to sell to your consumers, ready for you to use for yourself. And then when you're ready to use it, you open the stopper, then secure the wooden lid. So the liquid is going to evaporate through this wooden lid, and then you tie it to your car, tie it to the rearview mirror of your car. And as you are moving, the liquid is going to be seeping to the wooden cover. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and see you next time.